Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. So today we're going to talk about the art of appreciating others. We are often overcritical of others. Generally, criticism frequently turns into sarcasm. Seldom do we appreciate others, and appreciating and acknowledging the abilities and qualities of people is in fact an obligation we owe to them. In fact, it is an art and a skill that we must learn and practice. The art of appreciation is based on 5 premises. The first premise is that we must realize that no person is or can be perfect. Human beings, as well as the things they produce, cannot be flawless. Qualities coexist with flaws, and at times we have to look harder to spot them. We must tune our eyes and ears to perceive them. The second premise that we must learn is that if someone has nothing but criticism and sarcasm for us, it lowers our morale and confidence. We'll even lose sight of our own set of abilities. So it is even more essential that our own criticism too be braced with appreciation of what is good and positive in other people. The third premise in this regard is that encouraging and appreciating others enhances the qualities they have. So all of us are basically weak and meek from inside, and we need the support of others to grow and develop. At times, a few words of approval can tremendously boost others to realize their latent potential. The fourth premise is that appreciation must be expressed in words. Often we acknowledge people in our hearts, but this acknowledgement fails to reach our tongues. In this regard, what is understood needs to be conveyed through the tongue as well. The fifth premise in this regard is that appreciation needs to be unbiased. This means that it must be articulated even in the case of people we do not like or who are our rivals or harsh critics. This is because appreciation should not be governed by emotions. It should be governed by intellect and rationality. But besides these negatives, there may be some positives as well. The art of appreciation means that we need to ignore and disregard the flaws and appreciate the positive vibes. The Creator of the heavens and the earth has bestowed upon each one of us some talent and quality. In order to develop and enhance them, we not only need to work on them, we also need appreciation and encouragement of those around us. It boosts our confidence tremendously. If we realize this need for our own selves, we can see that others too are in need of it. Showering praises on others without exaggerating, of course, does not cost us anything. So let us not be stingy in this.